We're over here at Royal Palms Mobile Home Park in Covina, and we're going to go over the process of getting rid of the existing old home and replacing that with a brand new manufactured home. First off, we got to get our team out from Coastline to disassemble that home and then get that existing home away. From there, what we do is prep the lot. Now, what goes into prepping the lot is getting the lot graded, all the weeds, the existing old asphalt driveway goes away. Any debris that was over here on the right side in regards to the concrete flower beds goes away as well. Once we get this lot graded to clean dirt, then what goes down is road base, which is a cement compact fiber that we put to the floor print of the house. And then they got what they call a vapor barrier. This vapor barrier goes down on top of the road base. This helps with water settlement. And then from there we got the piers and pads in regards to the new house going in.